How to boost bass on Spotify. If you want to enhance the bass in your music while using Spotify, here's a simple guide to help you achieve that. Let's get started. First, open the Spotify app on your device. Next, tap on the profile icon in the top left corner. Then, find and open Settings and Privacy. To adjust the bass, tap on Playback. Scroll down and look for the Equalizer option. Open it. Here you can find numerous styles tailored to different music genres. In the Presets section, select Bass Booster, and the equalizer will be enabled automatically. Now you'll see a range of sliders representing different frequencies. To boost the bass, increase the sliders for the lower frequencies. You can experiment with the sliders until you find a sound that you like. This step is not necessary because the default values are usually sufficient. Once you're satisfied with the adjustments, exit the equalizer settings. And that's all for today's tutorial. Now you can enjoy your music with enhanced bass on Spotify. If you found this tutorial helpful, be sure to follow for more tips and tricks.